Hola familias! Welcome to our first monthly sound challenge ever. Yay! I'm very excited. Each month we will focus on one Spanish sound that is a little tricky for English speakers. Solo un poquito. That's it. And each week you will get 5 new words with that sound so you can keep practice the same sound all month long. You can repeat the words at home, and if you want, you can send me videos. And do you know the best part? Everybody can try this. Mamá, papá, abuelito, abuelita, tú, tus hermanos, los primos, amigos, todo el mundo, everybody can try those words. Are you ready to grow your Spanish? ¡Vámonos! Today, we are gonna start with an easy one, the Spanish R. I know you are gonna love the Spanish R. Some English speakers say the Spanish R is one of the most frustrating sounds to deal with, but this is not true. You can totally do it. Just listen. All right, let's try. There's two R sounds possible with the Spanish. One is the single R sound, and the other one is the double R or rolling R. When letter R is in the middle of the word, you are gonna make it single R sound. That's it. Single R sound, it's just a tiny tap of your tongue, like r, 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 ra, re, di, ro, do. Easy peasy, right? And the good thing is that this month you just need to focus in that r, r, r sound. Now let's practice this week's 5 words. ¡Vámonos! ¡Listos! Pero, para, mira, pera, toro. Tú puedes, you can do it. My daughter Tanit, born in New Jersey, she's the brave one who's going to try our 5 words today. ¿Estás lista, Tanit?
Sí.
¡Vamos! Pero,
Pero
para,
para
mira,
mira,
pera,
pera,
toro.
toro.
Practice with us at home. Vámonos, tú puedes. Adiós. Follow my account for more videos.